Hi guys, today I am telling you future continuous tense. Continuous means ing form. Now, what is the helping verb of future continuous? Helping verb is shall be or will be. Now, I am telling you affirmative sentences. Structure at first subject, then shall be, will be, then verb plus ing, then object. Now, let's start the sentences. I shall be learning poem. I shall be learning poem. I is subject, then with I we will use shall. Here shall be, then verb plus ing, learning, this is verb plus ing, poem is object. Now the second sentence, we shall be writing a story. In this sentence, we is subject, with we have to use shall be. Then writing, this is verb plus ing, a story is object. Third one sentence, they will be eating biscuits. Here they is subject, with they we have to use the helping verb will be. Now eating is, this is verb plus ing, biscuits object. Fourth sentence, Aman will be cleaning his room. Here Aman subject, with Aman we have to use will be. Then cleaning, this is verb plus ing, his room is object. Now negative sentences. In such type of sentence we have to use not also. Structure now, subject plus shall will plus not plus be. Verb plus ing, then object. Now sentences. We shall not be going to picnic. Here we is the subject. With we will use shall, then not, then be. Going verb plus ing. To picnic, this is object. Remember that we have to use not between of shall and be. Second sentence, they will not be sleeping. Here they is subject, with they we have to use will, then not, then be. Sleeping, this is verb plus ing. Third sentence, Sita will not be marrying to Ram. In this sentence, Sita is the subject. With Sita we have to use will, then not, then be. Marrying, this is verb plus ing. To Ram, this is object. Now the fourth sentence is, it will not be raining. Here it is the subject, then with it we will use will not be raining. This is verb plus ing. Now after negative, I will tell you interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative means in which we ask a question. Now structure, shall will plus subject, be, verb plus ing, object. In interrogative sentences, we have to apply helping verb at first. Now the sentences, will he be teaching you? Here at first I apply here will, then if we apply will, then he is the subject, be teaching verb plus ing, you is object. The second sentence, shall we be earning a lot of money? Here at first shall, then subject we, then be, earning, this is verb plus ing, a lot of money is object. Third one sentence, will you be killing a snake? At first will, then you is subject, be, killing, this is verb plus ing, a snake is object. Fourth one sentence, shall I be swimming in the river? At first shall, then I subject, be, then swimming, this is verb plus ing, in the river is object. Now interrogative plus negative sentences. Interrogative plus negative. Interrogative means in which we ask a question, negative means not also. So interrogative plus negative means negative questions. Structure now, shall will plus subject plus not, then be, verb plus ing, then object. Sentences now, will my cat not be drinking milk? Will my cat not be drinking milk? At first will, then subject, my cat is subject, not, then be, drinking, this is verb plus ing, milk is object. Second sentence, shall I not be making tea? Here at first shall, then I, subject, not be. Making means verb plus ing, T object. Will you, third sentence, will you not be pushing me? At first will, then you is subject, not be pushing. This is verb plus ing, me is object. Now the last fourth one sentence is, shall we not be playing football? In this sentence, at first shall, then subject we, then not, be, playing. This is verb plus ing. Football is object. Now we have completed future continuous tense. Next day I will tell you future perfect tense.